Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are going to get some pit bike riding in today because it is like 63 degrees in the middle of December in Ohio, and that doesn't happen often. Yesterday was supposed to be our last nice day, and today was supposed to rain all day long, but as you can see, it is not raining. We're gonna load up these bikes and go get some riding in. Let's get it. We are out here getting some wheelies in, really just riding and enjoying this last day before it freaking gets cold. I was gonna go ride the park, but fuck it, let's go explore some new places. Man, I'm just gonna get some. I don't know. I'd hate to run out. That'd be super shitty. Fellers. Dude, I've never been back here. I don't know if that's police down there or not. There's only one way to find out. I think it's just a truck. Yeah, it is. We're good. How you been?
I see you. Look at you.
I know.
You got your little 50 out?
Is it counting down now?
Yeah. It says 1, 2, 3.
Okay, we're good.
Well, you go have fun.
Enjoy. Good seeing you.
Brother. Take care of yourself.
See you guys. Not about the water, bro. Let's go over the bridge. No, there's a lot of people. I'm not going over the bridge. Yeah, I am. I see him. Instead of going back the way we came, I'm gonna go back this way. Woo!
having this out here on the bikeway, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought anything under 50 cc's you could ride on the sidewalk and shit.
No problem.
I really didn't know.
I figured you did since you stopped.
Yeah.
I'll let you get on.
There you
go. No four-wheelers, no dirt bikes, nothing. No motorized except for electric bicycles.
Gotcha.
About the only thing we allow on here. You don't got no warrants or nothing like that.
No.
There you go, Kyle.
Appreciate it, buddy.
Yep, thanks for stopping.
Yeah, no problem, man.
I know there's a little place they call the Plaza back here somewhere. I don't know if you can figure out how to get permission to ride back there, but...
I was just out, man. It's the last nice day of the year. I figured, you know, I just figured I'd get out and ride, man.
I figured we'd see more today, but you're the first one I've seen today, so...
Well, I'm sorry about that, man. Appreciate it.
Yep, have a good day, man.
You too. Ah, he was nice. Slippery. Fuck. Oh shit. Extremely slippery. Ow. Yeah, it's getting dark. I'm getting cold.
I'll feel it. Well, I appreciate you stopping by, dude.
Yeah, man. All right, brother.
See you, Bob. Be careful.
All right, man.
Call me later.
Whew. All I gotta say is it's cold as shit. Oh, man. It's slippery as hell back here.